I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Crypto.com app. First, download the app from your app store and complete the quick identity verification process. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once verified, you'll need to link a payment method, like a bank account or debit card, to fund your wallet. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, allowing you to begin your crypto journey with confidence and security. It's a straightforward process designed for new users. Once your account is set up, buying and selling crypto is simple. You can purchase over 250 different cryptocurrencies directly with your linked payment method. Selling is just as easy, allowing you to convert your crypto back to fiat currency and withdraw it to your bank. For long-term strategies, consider setting up recurring buys to dollar-cost average your investments, making it a convenient way to build your portfolio over time. Beyond buying and selling, the Crypto.com app offers ways to grow your assets. Through Crypto Earn, you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings, with rates varying based on the coin and term. Staking allows you to lock up certain cryptocurrencies to support network operations and receive rewards in return. You can choose between flexible terms, offering more liquidity, or fixed terms for potentially higher returns, giving you control over your earning strategy. The Crypto.com Visa card is another powerful feature, allowing you to spend your crypto in everyday life. You can apply for different card tiers, each offering unique benefits like cashback rewards. The app also provides access to other advanced features, such as crypto credit, where you can get instant loans using your crypto as collateral. These tools enhance your financial flexibility, making the Crypto.com app a comprehensive platform for managing your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.